I am going to make a dessert that is near and dear to my heart. 3 ingredients, and then you can kind of have fun with however you want. I actually said, are these earrings too much? And then I said, absolutely, let's keep them on. If you are using a 13 by 9, you'll want 3 packages, 90 cookies. You want to soak the Oreos because you want them, once you put them in the fridge and you're going to chill, baby, chill. We're going to throw these into the milk. You don't want to leave them sitting in there long because it's amazing how quickly they start to soften. We're going to do that, and then we're going to do layer upon layer like this. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to just go around the edges. Here's 2. But that was layer 1. Did you guys ever do this? So I'm going to go back around the edges. This was one of the only reasons why I wanted to do this one.
Let it set.
Let it set. There is the finished. Look how quick and easy that was. I'm going to give it a nice little scoop. Can we just talk about how delicious that layer upon layer? There it is. Like, this is a refreshing dessert. All right, you guys. Love you.